Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe an activity you do to keep fit. Yes, please.
I do a lot of things to stay healthy, such as morning walk, cycling, yoga. But here I would like to discuss about morning walk. I have to go with my grandfather with morning walk. He is 95, and mashallah, he is very fit person. We are. I'm going with him near our home park. There is a jogging track. In the morning time, the jogging track is full of people, and there is a lot of benefits. Morning walk, just like it's improve our blood circulation, and other health benefits like morning walk, empty stomach, it help us to control our sugar level or blood pressure level. It's keep us healthy, and there are other our friends also come there, so we have a good time.
Okay, thank you so much. Try to overcome these and ahs, right? And there are minor grammatical mistakes. So if you brush up your basic English grammar, especially tenses, helping verbs, and modal verbs, these mistakes will be removed from your language. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Are people conscious about health in your city?
I don't think so that people are so much conscious about health, because there is a lot of eating habits, just like junk food, and lots of oily things, which is not good for health.
Okay. Do you do any activity to maintain your physical fitness?
Yes, I do. I do cycling in my home, so I can fit myself.
All right, this answer is extremely short. Try to speak at least 5 to 6 sentences for speaking part 3. And try to answer in the same way like direct answer, elaboration, and conclusion. And practice all these topics so that you become fluent. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you.